Hello everyone, welcome back to our latest video. In today's episode, I'll explain what it means when Messenger upgrades the security of your chat. Please watch this video to the end. When you see the message that Messenger has upgraded the security of your chat, it means that both your messages and calls are now secured with end-to-end encryption. This indicates that Facebook Messenger has enhanced its security features to better safeguard the privacy and security of your conversations. This upgrade includes the implementation of end-to-end encryption, the strongest level of security available for online communication. This means that only you and the person or people you're communicating with can read or hear the content of your conversations. Not even Facebook or Messenger itself can access or decrypt the content of the messages. This feature helps create a more secure and private communication environment. End-to-end encryption protects your chats from eavesdropping, hacking, or spying attempts, allowing you to discuss sensitive topics with greater confidence, knowing that your conversations are private and secure. Now you know what this upgrade means. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.